Let's take a look at the proposed design of this 2 BHK apartment renovation in Bangalore, Whitefield. Here is the living area design. Here is the dining area design. The balcony door will be demolished and a French window will be installed. The wash basin will be demolished and a new crockery unit will be installed. Here is the kitchen design. The new provision for refrigerator is created. Here is the puja unit design. Here is the common bathroom design. Here is the master bedroom design. Here is the master bathroom design. Here is the kids' bedroom design. New false ceiling will be made to this ceiling. For more videos on home renovation, bathroom renovation, and interior design, please subscribe to our channel Inkstone Infra. Thank you for watching.